To change the location that your downloads are saved to in Microsoft Edge, start by clicking on the menu icon in the upper right corner, and then go to Settings. In the left column, click Downloads. To the right, at the top, you'll see the current location that your downloads are saved to. Click Change to the right of it. Select the folder that you want to use, and click Select Folder. From now on, downloads will be automatically saved there. If you'd prefer, you can also have Microsoft Edge ask you what you want to do each time you download a file. Just enable the toggle to the right of Ask me what to do with each download. Now, when you try to download a file, instead of just downloading automatically, Edge will ask if you want to open the file without saving it, or if you click Save As, you can choose the location that you want to save to. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.